Hi guys, welcome back to Fun with Arduino channel. So in this video, we'll be making a photoresistor using a LED. So let's get started. So guys, basically this photoresistor is an analog device. So it has analog values from 0 to 1023. So the other name of this photoresistor is LDR. That full form of LDR is light dependent resistor. So depend upon the light, the value will keep changing. So if there is some sort of light source, then the value will increase, and if there is no light source, then the value will decrease. So this is how this photoresistor works. Now guys, now let us get started by our connections. So guys, first we have to connect this LED to the breadboard, and then we have to attach a 560 ohm resistor to the positive leg on this LED. And then we have to attach a jumper wire to the other leg of the resistor and connect it to any digital pin. So I'll be connecting it to the digital pin number 9. And then the negative leg to ground. Then we have to attach this photoresistor to the breadboard. And then after that we have to connect a 10k ohm resistor to any leg of this photoresistor. So we have to connect a wire to the other leg of the resistor and connect it to ground. And then we have to also connect a wire in which the leg of the photoresistor and the resistor is in the same column. And connect it to any analog pin. So I'll connect it to the analog pin number A1. And then the final and the other leg of the photoresistor to 5 volt. So guys, these were the connections. So guys, now let us move on to the programming section.
So guys, before void setup, we'll be defining some certain pins and values. So I have connected the photoresistor to the pin number A1. So I'll write int and we'll give a name to the photoresistor as LDR, then A1. Then we have connected the LED to the pin number 9. Then we'll be writing int and we'll give the name to the LED as LED. And then 9. And then finally we'll be writing int value is equal to 0. So basically why we are writing this command is that the analog values are from between 0 to 1023. So the smallest one between them is 0. So the value will be equal to 0 or will be greater than 0. So this is the use of this function. And then in the void setup we'll write pin mode and then LED will define that as output. And then pin mode LDR will define that as input. So guys, now let us move on to the void loop. So here in the void loop we'll be writing value is equal to analog read LDR. So this use of this analog read function is to read whatever the value is. So if it is dark, then the value will be less. So whatever the value is, by this function it will be read. So in the previous video, I wrote it as digital read because it was connected to the digital pen. Now here it is connected to the analog pen. So we have to write analog read. So now we'll be writing if value is less than or is equal to 100. This means that if the value is less than or equal to 100, then we want the LED to be on. We'll write else digital write the LED will be off. So guys, now let us upload the sketch and check what are the results.
So guys, these are the results. When I keep my hand in front of the photoresistor, the source of the light is blocked. So there is darkness present. So if there is darkness, the value becomes less. So this means that the value becomes less than 100. For a better understanding, let's print the value and let us see the results.
So guys, in order to print the value in the void setup, we must be writing serial dot begin and so first we have to write serial dot begin and then in bracket 9600. So you must be thinking that why we are writing 9600. So basically this is the baud rate set. And then in the void loop we'll write serial dot print in the value. So now I have set this command that it will now print the value. Now I'll set a delay of 1 second. This means that after each second a value will be printed. So now let's upload the sketch and check the results. So guys, at the top right corner you will be able to see there is an option of serial monitor. Click on that. Now there will be the values printing 417, 416. But when I keep my hand near this resistor, you can see the difference in the values. It is 50, 49, 30. And when I remove my hand, the value again increases. So guys, this was the video. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, then make sure to like. And if you're new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.